Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create multiple configurations if your model contains global variables which are driving the other dimensions. We are using design table to create the configuration. Let's take this model. In this case, I have created two global variables, that is OD and ID. And the third dimension, the thickness of the plate, it is linked with the ID dimensions. I will show you. The thickness is ID divided by 2. That means when we going to edit this dimension will get updated. Let's go to the configuration manager. The default one is created. Then create the design table, and in this create auto create. Click this OK button. The window will open. It will ask to select the dimension. We will select all the dimensions. Okay. Here you can see the dimension of the default configuration. OD is OD, ID is ID, and the thickness is ID divided by 2. Let's create the configurations. Here I'll give 80 OD, then 30, and we will link with this divided by 2. So in the A configuration, the thickness should be 15 mm, right? Click in the graphics area. Design table will get create. The message shows that the configuration is created. Okay. Next, in the configuration, you can see the table, design table. Okay. And the configuration A is created over here. Let's switch to the A. And let's check out that the dimension is created or not as per our requirement. The dimension should be 15, but it is showing that 10 mm. That means this is not the correct way to create the configurations. To overcome this problem, I have solution for you. Let's see. I am taking the same example. Now for this again, I will create the design table. Do not select the auto create. In this case, we have to select blank source. Click the OK button. Do not select any of the parameter. Cancel it because we are going to type the syntax. The syntax I am talking about is this: $value @ global variable name @ equation. In between this two @ we have to type the name of the global variables that we are given in the equation. So let's copy this syntax. I'll create 3 configurations. Click in the graphics area, it will get create. The message showing that the configurations are created. Click OK. Go to the configuration manager and check it. Switch to the one configuration. The ID was 30 and the thickness is exactly half of that ID dimension. In second configuration also, it is 40 and the thickness is half of that ID dimension. In third, it is also half of the ID. So in this way, you can create the multiple configuration using global variables. Also, the problem we were facing in first example, it is overcome now. Thank you.